7, go! Go!
Hey, we're Group 6 of Fantasy Club from USC, under Sir Jerome Porto.
What is fitness?
Marvin Coniba, number 39. Fitness is important to me.
Ikaw na. Oh.
Hello, I'm Sunal Albani. Fitness is maintenance. I'm Mark.
Number.
Number 25, and fitness for me has something to do with self-discipline. Hi, I'm number 9, Cedric Steven. Sorry. I'm number 9, Cedric Steven Garage. Fitness, it will give you long life. I'm Dave Carter, number 16. Fitness for me is exercising for maintaining a good health.
Hi, I am Eugene Lord Vidal, number 51. And fitness for me is refreshing and it will make your day better.